Well, hello friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Now, I know that we're in this lockdown season, and it is a season, and I would love to show you if you're looking to have an in-house wedding or in-house event with some of the things that you can do with using some of the items around your home. So let me show you. Now, before we start in this tutorial, I do want to tell you, please read the description box down below because you do want to follow your state rules and regulations. Now, this is a Dollar Tree mirror that I do have, and we're going to go over some things you can use for a base. Like these mirrors I got from the Dollar Tree. You can use these if you would like, and I used them for a mat right there in that iCard. Now, I will be using this mirror that I got from Hobby Lobby. I am not encouraging you to go out and get these items. It's just only if you have it at home. Now, when I did this video some time ago, I did use these candle holders, but let me tell you what you do in substitution. You can use the 7.5 inch or the 9-inch cylinder vases that comes from the Dollar Tree. Now, here are the ones that I did use. Now, if you do have some of these items, feel free to use it. I do want you to still have fun during this season. Now, I did add in a floral arrangement in this video, but I want you to see some of the floral arrangements that I have done in particular videos. However, I do smaller ones when it's on YouTube and the more taller, exquisite ones with my one-on-one students. So it is totally optional if you want to do that. So just envision this. The 7.5 inch vases, the 9-inch vases that you can get from the Dollar Tree. It will be so beautiful. And then I know a lot of you already have acrylic stones, so place some acrylic stones down there. That will be beautiful. The Dollar Tree tea light holders, that will be very, very lovely as well. And then place in some LED lights. That would be so romantic and very inexpensive, and the cost would be very inexpensive as well. Now, I'm just going to show you, if you're new, everything that I did in this video, and I really hope that you have enjoyed it. So this is the floral arrangement that I did do for this particular video. Very beautiful. I love the flowing look. It is very, very lovely for a centerpiece like this. So hopefully you guys have these items at home, and if you need help, just reach out to me. I do not mind helping you all during this season. And I did place some more LED lights on the left and also on the right hand side. Remember, if you need help, just reach out to me, Latisha at designingwithlatishamckinney.com. I pray that everyone have a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you so much for watching.